Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English Cast Duo, the podcast where you don't just study English, you slowly start to live with it.
Exactly. No pressure, no exams, no scary grammar rules jumping out at you.
Just two voices, real conversations, and practical English you can actually use in your daily life.
I'm Alex.
And I'm Mia. And today's episode is for everyone who has ever said,
I want to improve my English, but I don't have time.
or I feel shy when I speak.
Or my favorite one, I'll start practicing English next week.
Yes, that magical next week that never comes.
So today we're talking about something very simple, but very powerful.
How to practice English every single day.
Even if your life is busy,
Even if you feel nervous.
even if you don't live in an English-speaking country,
Because here's the truth, and this might surprise you.
you don't need to move to London,
You don't need an American friend sitting next to you.
and you definitely don't need to study English for 3 hours every night.
What you need are small habits.
Habits that fit into your real life.
Habits you can repeat every day without stress.
And that's exactly what we're going to explore today. Slowly, clearly, and naturally.
Before we talk about techniques, apps, or exercises, I want to ask you something important.
Yeah, this part really matters.
Why do you want to improve your English?
Is it for work?
For travel?
For confidence?
Or maybe you just want to understand movies, videos, or podcasts without subtitles.
Whatever your reason is, it's valid.
But here's where many learners make a mistake.
They think improvement comes from big actions,
Like studying for 5 hours on Sunday,
and then doing nothing for the rest of the week.
but language doesn't work like that.
English is not a subject you memorize,
It's a skill you build.
and skills grow through frequency, not intensity.
5 minutes every day is better than 1 hour once a week.
Let me say that again because it's important.
5 minutes every day is better than 1 hour once a week.
When you practice daily, your brain stays connected to English.
English doesn't feel foreign.
It feels familiar.
And familiarity creates confidence.
Mia, can I say something that might sound a little uncomfortable?
Go ahead.
Most English learners don't fail because English is hard.
They fail because they feel afraid.
Afraid of mistakes.
Afraid of sounding stupid.
Afraid of being judged.
And that fear makes them silent.
They understand more than they think.
But they don't speak.
And here's the problem. You can't become fluent quietly.
Fluency lives in your voice, not just your head.
That's why today's episode is not about perfection.
It's about progress.
It's about building a relationship with English,
A calm one.
a friendly one.
All right, let's talk about one of the most powerful tools you can use. Shadowing.
You might have heard this word before.
Or maybe this is your first time.
Either way, don't worry, it's very simple.
Shadowing means listening to English,
And repeating it at the same time.
not stopping,
Not translating,
not checking a dictionary,
just copying the sound.
like an echo.
You follow the speaker's rhythm,
Their speed,
their tone.
even their pauses.
It might feel strange at first.
That's normal,
Your brain might say, wait, I don't understand everything.
and that's okay.
Shadowing is not about understanding.
It's about training. Let's do a short example together.
If you can, repeat out loud.
If not, just whisper or repeat in your head.
Ready?
I want to speak English more confidently.
Repeat.
I practice English a little every day.
Repeat.
I don't need to be perfect to improve.
Repeat.
See? That's shadowing.
Simple, right?
If you do this for 5 minutes a day,
Your mouth becomes faster,
your pronunciation becomes clearer.
and English starts to feel more natural.
Here's something many people believe.
I can't improve my English because I don't live in an English-speaking country.
But that's not true anymore.
English is everywhere.
On your phone,
On YouTube,
in music,
in podcasts,
you can create an English environment anywhere,
even in your bedroom,
even on the bus.
even while cooking dinner.
Instead of asking, when should I study English?
Ask, where can English fit into my day?
Morning?
Listen to a short podcast.
Afternoon?
Think one sentence in English.
Evening?
Say your thoughts out loud for 1 minute.
That's it.
No pressure,
No stress.
just consistency.
And now we're going to talk about something that changes everything for English learners.
Something simple but also very challenging.
Thinking in English,
Not translating,
not thinking in your native language first.
just English.
Now, before anyone panics,
Relax, you don't have to think in English all day.
you don't need full sentences.
And you definitely don't need perfect grammar.
Thinking in English starts with tiny thoughts.
Most learners do this.
They think in their native language,
Translate in their head.
then try to speak in English.
And by the time they're ready to talk,
The moment is gone,
the conversation moves on.
and they feel frustrated.
Translation is like using Google Maps for a place you walk to every day.
It works, but it's slow.
Thinking in English is like muscle memory.
It takes time to build.
But once it's there, it feels natural.
Here's the secret. Start small.
Very small.
Single thoughts.
Short phrases.
Let's do some examples together. When you wake up, instead of thinking,
What time is it? I'm tired.
try this in English.
It's morning.
I'm still sleepy.
I need coffee.
That's it.
No grammar stress,
No translation.
just simple English thoughts.
When you walk outside,
It's cold today.
the sky is cloudy.
I see a dog.
During work or study,
I'm busy.
I need a break.
I'll finish this later.
Why this works. These thoughts connect your brain directly to English.
No middle language.
No delay.
And over time,
English stops feeling like a foreign language.
it feels like another way of thinking.
Now, let's talk about something many learners forget.
Your mouth.
Yes, your mouth.
You can understand English in your head.
But if your mouth isn't trained,
Speaking feels uncomfortable, and
that's where reading aloud helps.
reading silently is good
But reading aloud is better.
because it trains three things at the same time.
Your brain,
Your pronunciation.
your confidence.
It teaches your mouth how English feels.
Keep it simple.
Very simple.
Short stories,
Podcast transcripts.
beginner articles.
Even children's books.
Simple English is powerful English.
Step 1. Read slowly.
Focus on clear pronunciation.
Step 2. Read again, a little faster.
Step 3, read with emotion.
Imagine you're an actor.
Yes, exaggerate a little.
English has rhythm.
And rhythm creates fluency. Now let's talk about writing.
I know, some people hate writing.
But this isn't school writing.
This is life writing.
Every day, write just 3 sentences.
That's it.
No long essays,
No perfect grammar, and
just real life.
today was busy.
I had a lot of work.
I watched an English video.
Simple,
Useful.
repeatable. You practice sentence structure, you use vocabulary from your life.
And you build a habit.
5 minutes a day.
Huge results over time.
Now let's talk about something that feels strange.
Talking to yourself.
In English,
Yes, alone.
at the end of your day,
Open your phone.
record a 1-minute voice message.
Talk about your day,
Your plans.
your thoughts.
Example, today was long.
I worked a lot.
I felt tired, but I practiced English.
You hear yourself speaking English.
You notice your mistakes.
And that's good.
Mistakes mean growth.
No one else hears it.
No pressure. Here's a big mindset shift.
Stop asking, how do I study English?
Start asking, how do I live with English?
You look at your phone dozens of times a day.
So make it English,
Settings,
notifications,
updates.
you learn naturally.
Buy groceries.
Finish work,
Practice English.
that's learning.
Watch short English videos.
Repeat sentences,
Copy the tone.
make it fun.
Let's talk about something very important.
Something more important than grammar,
More important than vocabulary.
more important than accent.
Confidence.
Why most learners stay silent. Many English learners understand a lot,
They can read,
they can listen,
but when it's time to speak,
they freeze.
why?
Fear. Common fears.
I'll make a mistake.
People will laugh.
My accent is bad.
I don't sound smart.
Let us say this clearly.
Every fluent speaker made mistakes.
Every confident speaker sounded bad once.
Fluency comes after mistakes. Change this one thought.
Instead of thinking,
I need to speak perfect English.
think this.
I need to communicate.
Communication matters more than correctness.
Always.
Let's be honest.
You will make mistakes.
A lot of mistakes.
And that's good. Why mistakes are necessary.
Mistakes show you're trying.
Mistakes show growth.
If you never make mistakes,
You're not practicing enough. Turn mistakes into lessons.
when someone corrects you,
Don't feel embarrassed.
say thank you
Repeat the correct sentence.
and move on.
Safe places to make mistakes. Talk to yourself.
Talk to AI tools.
Talk to language partners.
Comment on videos.
Mistakes are safest when you practice often.
Some people are naturally shy.
And that's okay.
You don't need to be loud to be fluent.
Start small. One sentence,
One opinion,
one question.
that's enough.
Useful starter phrases. I think that,
In my opinion,
I'm not sure, but
these phrases give you time to think.
be a good listener. You don't have to talk all the time.
Listening is part of conversation.
React naturally.
Really?
That's interesting.
I see.
Now let's talk about habits.
Motivation is unreliable and
Some days you feel excited.
some days you don't.
Why consistency wins. 5 minutes every day.
Is better than 2 hours once a week.
English needs regular contact.
Like exercise.
Build an English routine. Morning, think in English.
Afternoon. Listen to English.
Evening, speak or write.
Simple. Attach English to daily habits.
While drinking tea, listen to English.
While commuting, listen to English podcast.
Before sleeping, write a diary entry.
No extra time needed.
Many learners quit because they think,
I'm not improving.
but progress is subtle. Signs. You're improving.
You understand more without subtitles.
You think less before speaking.
You react faster.
You feel less afraid. Stop comparing yourself.
Don't compare yourself to native speakers.
Or influencers.
Compare yourself to past you.
That's real progress.
Big goals can be overwhelming.
So break them down. Examples of small goals. This week, I'll learn 10 phrases.
I'll speak English for 5 minutes daily.
I'll finish one podcast episode.
Small goals create momentum.
By now, you've probably noticed something.
Learning English isn't about studying harder.
It's about living with the language.
English shouldn't feel like homework.
It should feel like background noise in your life. Stop treating English like a school subject.
Many learners think English means
Grammar rules,
textbooks,
exams.
but real English lives outside classrooms.
Bring English into your daily environment. Change your phone language to English.
Follow English creators on social media.
Watch videos you already enjoy in English.
Same interests, different language.
Repetition without boredom. You don't need new content every day.
Repeat content you enjoy.
Watch the same video twice.
Listen to the same podcast again.
Repetition builds fluency
Let's talk about real conversations,
because at some point, you need humans.
not just apps.
Where to find speaking partners, language exchange apps,
Comment sections,
online communities.
Discord servers.
Your first conversation will feel awkward.
Your second will feel slightly better.
Your 10th will feel normal.
Discomfort means progress.
Keep conversations simple. You don't need deep topics.
Talk about food,
Your day.
movies.
Simple topics equals confident speaking.
This is where things change fast.
Thinking in English. Start with small thoughts. I'm tired.
I'm hungry.
I need coffee.
Say them in English, in your head.
Narrate your life. I'm opening the door.
I'm checking my phone.
I'm cooking dinner.
Your brain adapts quickly.
Don't translate. Avoid translating from your native language,
Learn phrases as full ideas.
not word by word.
Let's save you some pain.
Here are common traps. Studying too much, using too little,
Many learners study for years on
but never speak.
English is a skill.
Skills need use. Waiting for perfect time.
There is no perfect time.
Start now.
Start badly.
Improve later. Obsessing over accent.
Accent doesn't equal fluency.
Clarity matters more.
Be understandable and
That's enough. Motivation fades.
habits stay.
You understood a joke?
Celebrate.
You spoke without freezing.
Celebrate.
Track progress lightly. Use a simple notebook.
Write 1 sentence daily.
That's it. Enjoy the process.
If learning feels painful,
Change your method.
English should be enjoyable, and
If you're listening to this,
you're already doing something right.
you're exposing yourself to English.
You're showing up.
One honest truth. You don't need talent.
You don't need a perfect accent.
You don't need expensive courses.
You need consistency.
Imagine 1 year from now. Imagine yourself speaking comfortably,
Understanding movies.
having conversations without fear.
That version of you is built daily.
Thank you for spending this time with us.
We hope this episode helped you feel calmer
More confident?
and more motivated.
Remember, English is not a race,
It's a journey.
and we're happy you're on it with us.